Okay, this video is going to show you how to assign drugs to your units and to set par levels for those drugs for each unit and to set the increment levels and activate those drugs for each unit. So what you need to do is log in and then go to Site Admin. Expand the drugs assigned to locations, and then manage locations drugs. And you'll see a list of your locations up on top. So all you want to do is you want to select the locations that you want to apply the changes that you're going to make to. So we'll just do it for engine 2 in this particular case. So you just scroll down and you'll see that there's a list of drugs that can be applied to that unit that we checked. So we're going to start with the adenosine, and we're going to say that we want engine 2 to have a par level 4. The count increment's going to be 1, and they're going to count by each. The dispense increment isn't really important for the non-narcotics. You can put whatever you want in there. And then last thing you want to do is, so the location can be counted, or this drug can be counted for that location, is to check the active. And then you come down to your whatever drugs that you want to do this for. And you do the same thing. Okay, so now we have some drugs chosen to be changed for engine 2. So the important things is that you want to make sure that these are checked and that whether you want them active or not is checked. Then you simply scroll down and click the Update Selected Locations Drugs. And you'll get a confirmation. Click OK. And then it just alerts you that those drugs have been changed. And if you wanted to make it, everything the same for both units, you could. Just check the box next to the location name and then go through and make your changes and then apply. So that's how you update the par levels, the count increments, dispense increments, and whether the drug is active or not for each one of your units.